Friends, we are one day away from starting our breakthrough journey experience. For those of you that have signed up, I can't wait. And I'm very excited for your breakthroughs, and I'm very excited for your experience and for your journey. And for those of you that are still sitting on the fence, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You know that no one's going to move our cheese in life if we don't move it for ourselves. Nothing really big is going to happen in our life if we don't really put our efforts into it and do it something that we've never done before. Show up in a way we've never shown up before. Feel in a way we've never felt before. Act in a way we've never acted before. This course will give you the tools, the techniques, the kick and the rear end, that in 6 weeks' time, you're going to have a breakthrough. You're going to be in a different place in your life. If you're going to do the work and you're going to come to the classes, you will have a huge shift in your life. If it's something that you want to do, you want to experience it, you want to stop making excuses and stop being bummed out about the life experience that you're having, this course is for you. It will take you to the next level. I hope to see you there. Can't wait. Registration is today, last day. Tomorrow we start. See you there.